Display Flex is great for all your centering and single item needs. But now I'm going to show you the flexibility of using grid. All you need in your HTML is a container div. Go to the JavaScript and do your query selector for your container. Type in a simple for loop for 12 items, where your loop starts at 1. Your I is less than 13, and your I uses the increment operator. In the loop, use your container variable and add inner HTML and addition operator. In the template literals, code in a div with class equal to item. Go into the CSS. You should only have a column of small numbers 1 through 12. Set up your item class with color, white, font size 3 rem, and background linear gradient. Instead of using display flex here, we can use display grid to center the items with just one other line of code, place items center. Now, let's say we want to do 4 columns and 3 rows. Start with display grid. Next, we want to make our columns with the property grid template columns. In this, we can simply start with 100 pixels, separated with a space, and added 3 more times. That's okay, but we can make it easier. This time, type in repeat and parentheses and put 4 first, followed by 100 pixels after the comma. Looks exactly the same. Now put in the property grid template rows, and let's do a repeat of 3 and 100 pixels. Make a separation between the items with gap and set it at 10 pixels. Sweet! Let's move on to more advanced concepts in the next video.